Spontaneous joy marks the end of the sacred flower offerings as Valencia launches one of Europe's greatest aerial firework barrages. It's a display known throughout the pyrotechnic world as the Night of Fire.
One can't even conceive of Las Fallas without fireworks. The grandfather, the grandson, the father, the mother, the children. Everyone forms their own opinion about fireworks. It has nothing to do with politics or anything else. It's a part of the culture of the people. It's a spectacle that unites all of humanity.
As always, the festival concludes the next day on March 19th, the Feast of St. Joseph, patron saint of Valencia. Hundreds of pounds of maroons are set off within a few minutes. Smoke, deafening reports, and the smell of black powder fill the plazas, which are packed to capacity. And then the thundering final flourish. Revelers storm the barricades, roaring their approval over what they've just witnessed. They call for the master pyrotechnician, who appears on the balcony of the Fire Queen. Preparations now begin for the festival's ultimate act of destruction. Starting at 10 p.m., all of the over 700 fallas around the city will be burned. A small yet emotional fireworks show is launched as a salute to Valencia's Fire Queen and her court of honor in the final remaining moments of their reign. Minutes later, the last falla in the city still standing begins to burn. Valencia's history is full of skilled goldsmiths, gifted poets, brilliant painters, and patient carvers. So it's little wonder, yet still amazing, that so many masterful works can be created from scratch each year for this festival. Perhaps the Fallas artist's inspiration arises from the perpetual need to replace what is gone. For as Valencians often remind themselves, such beauty has been created to be burned. And oh, what magical fire